I would like to make a demo of the features you can find at Vyew.com before we have our meeting, so we will not have any confusion about the features of the page. So this is the View page as you would see it when you come in. It will have this large area here that will contain the slides. We also have a sidebar and a comments area, and then I think you might also have the drawing tools available to you, but I'm not really sure. We'll go over those anyway. So the drawing tools, if you have them, consist of a selection arrow, a highlighter, or a number of different pens. You can draw lines or highlight things. You also have a way of flood filling. You can change the line sizes and so on. Here we have the ability to leave a text box or a sticky note, and you can draw a rectangle around things to show them off, to highlight them as you're talking, and an eraser to get rid of the comments. You'll notice a button here that says sync. Right now this view room is set in sync mode, so all users will remain on the same page as I am. I'm the host, and so when I change pages, everyone's page will change. On this side we have the zoom buttons. You can zoom in and out, or here are some zoom options. Magnifier, you can set it to fit the entire page. When you click this, then whatever objects are in this page, like drawings and so on, it will zoom to the point where everything is showing up on the page. And as it is, I have it synced so that if I zoom this page, all the other pages in the room will be zoomed to the same extent. But this is kind of useful to you because everyone's screen is a different size, and so sometimes you will be looking at the slide, and on our larger screen the slide will look just fine, and on your screen it will be zoomed in too much or zoomed out too far to be able to see certain details. And so you can control the zoom using these controls here. We have a comments area. This apparently is a place for making persistent comments, because View is set up so the room can be accessed at any time whether I have a meeting scheduled or not. And so you can all actually log into to View and then leave comments behind on the page, I believe, and people can write back to you. So you can go to a particular page, leave a comment that says how about this, and then other people can write back. We're probably not going to use the comments area at all, and so I will generally click this thing here to collapse the comments. This is the sidebar. The sidebar has a chat area. The chat is rather nice because you can leave text that will be visible to all participants during the meeting without having to disrupt the audio feed that's coming through your phone. And so it's a less disruptive way of leaving a comment of some kind, and I generally try to watch over what's going on in the chat bar in case anyone has any problems or technical problems and they don't want to bring it up with everyone. I believe it's possible, if we had multiple users, to click on a user and then chat with only them in a private chat. So you can have side comments going on that will not be visible to everybody. No guarantees though. Be careful how it is that you use the chat thing. If you're going to say anything bad, then you may want to save it till after the meeting. The user bar here will show who is logged into this meeting, and I have the room access settings open to anyone. I could actually say only open to collaborators or viewers, or only to invited, and so on. For our purposes, it's easier just to leave it open. We have a webcam feature here, and if I use the webcam, then because I am the host, my camera feed will show up here. My camera is covered, so you can't see anything. So you will be able to see the inside of the room. I'll try to have a camera set up for this, and we'll see how that works. rather than using the computer microphones to talk, we will be using the conference call instead, because some of you have said that you would prefer it that way. It is possible for me to also minimize the chat area, or rather the sidebar here, in order to maximize the space in the drawing area. During the meeting, then, you can chat with one another. If you really wanted to, you can leave comments behind, but that's a little awkward. You can see who is online, and you'll be able to watch a live webcam feed showing the speaker that I will try to keep updated. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you at the meeting. One problem that people have reported having was with the embedded videos during the meeting. So I thought I would show this one. This is a YouTube video that was embedded into this page. And so when we hit play, and I think that when it's synchronized, all participants will see the video playing at the same time. Then we have this problem of the volume of the video. Now if you scroll down a little bit and look at the bottom of the player screen, you can see there's a pause button, your progress bar, time, and then this is your volume adjust. And so you can actually click way down here if you wanted to turn the volume down to practically nothing. And so I hope that this will help you. Unfortunately, we don't have a way of synchronizing the video stream control, so I can't turn the volume down on my end and then have it turn off on everybody else's. So you'll have to do this for yourself somehow.